Good morning, friends. Today I will talk to you about the quaternary structure of proteins. The quaternary structure of proteins is primarily the structure made by the primary and secondary structure which combine to form the quaternary structure. The quaternary structure of proteins is the association of several protein chains or subunits into a closely packed arrangement. Means they are closely packed into subunits of proteins. Each of the subunits has its own primary, secondary, and tertiary structures. The subunits are held together by hydrogen bonds and van der Waals forces between non-polar side chains. Means these subunits are bonded together by loose bonds called van der Waals forces and hydrogen bonds between non-polar side chains. Quaternary structure refers to the further stabilization of the protein molecule by binding the one or more similarly tertiary structure. Means the quaternary structure, in the quaternary structure there is the binding between the molecules which is more stable than the tertiary structure via further non-covalent interactions and disulfide bonding. These bonds are bound by disulfide bonding and covalent bonding. The subunits in the quaternary structure must be specifically arranged for the entire protein to function properly. Means the subunits जो होते हैं they should be specifically arranged. Means specific arrangement should be there for them to function properly. Any alteration in the structure of the subunits or how they are associated causes marked changes in biological activity. Means if these structures are not properly arranged, then there is a marked change in biological activity. Examples of proteins having quaternary structure are alcohol dehydrogenase, aldolase, hemoglobin, and insulin. Hemoglobin consists of two pairs of different proteins. Each protein is bound to the molecule of heme. Means hemoglobin is a protein which has a quaternary structure which contains two pairs of different proteins. Each protein is bound together, each protein is held together by a molecule of heme. The heme is known as the prosthetic group. Prosthetic group means non-protein group. A ferrous ion at the center of the heme is at the site of oxygen binding. At the center of the heme there is a ferrous ion which is the site of the oxygen binding. Each subunit of hemoglobin has a histidine residue that forms constant covalent bonds to the heme. Means each subunit of heme has a histidine molecule. Means subunit of heme has a histidine molecule which forms the covalent bond to the heme, which forms the covalent bond with the heme. So this is the structure of this. It can be drawn as a structure of quaternary structure. Like these are disulfide bonds and this is hydrogen bonding. These are